दिनेश उसको डोर खोल दे राजा।
जय साईं राम बाबा जी।
प्रिया के काउच के पास है। Just give me 2 minutes, Raja, please. Just 2 minutes. Huh?
Hmm.
So it's a very Deseram to all. Deseram. It's a very special day today. Right? It's the Shara, it's Baba's Sino Langan, Baba's Punyatithi. It's every day today, right? The Shara, we know why always celebrate, right? We- Prabhu Ram's success on Ravana. There are a lot of meanings to it in the world today. A lot of parts we look at. Dharma Vijay, good over evil, a lot of things comes up. Though Ravan was not an evil, but still part to it, right? Then Baba choosing the same day to leave his mortal body to go. See, before even we go further, how many of you practiced Om this week? One. Huh? Rather, reason. And how many of you practiced Om? Two. So,
Not every day, Babaji. Just couple of days.
okay. What we need to really, as we discussed this last time also, is that important is hunger, desire, desire to know myself, nothing much. Realization, self-realization, knowing God, knowing your soul, journey, it's all way after that, way after that. Like you feel hungry, you feel like eating that time, that very moment, you should be very determined that I have to get to work on this. तेरा क्यों नहीं हुआ? अच्छा. Today there are a lot of people in the world, and there is a lot of platforms today where you don't even need to go to any satsang. Just put a YouTube channel, select the person you want to hear, and you can hear. That will at least give you a very good feeling inside you that you attended 1 hour satsang, maybe 2 hours. Bhagavad, Ashtavakra Gita, Mahapuran. There's so tons of literature online and tons of voice online available. There's tons of people. Reason why I'm saying this is that your hunger is very important. Go ahead. Yeah.
जी, किसी को सुनना, सबको सुनना, आप जो हंगर कह रहे हो, वो सत्संग इज फूड. आप किसी को सुनते हो, आप अच्छी चीजें ग्रहण करते हो, आपको भूख है, but that's only a part of it.
Mera bacha, the reason I'm saying this is that See, I've been requesting all of you for a long time to do Om.
तो वही कह रहा हूँ कि जब आप उसको बैठोगे, जितना भी आपने खाया है उसको दिलचस्पी तो करना है। अगर आप मनन चिंतन नहीं करोगे तो ये सत्संग सुनना इज नो यूज।
क्योंकि what I really feel, Raja, is that Om is a universal aspect for all of you. Remember this, Mera Bacha. It's a universal connection to nobody, to yourself. There is nobody today, whether you look at NASA, whether you look at Russian researchers, Egyptian researchers, everybody has put that part when they digged down and when they went up, they found that sound happening. Om. That vibration of Om is there. And this is the easiest part. See, I'm not, I very strongly believe that I'm not would always come up to say, I'm going to give you a mantra to chant. You have to chant that mantra every day. I will tell you in your ear. See, that is not going to help. What is going to help is your will and wish. That is the key thing. Some people tell me every day we have a routine. We early morning we start, we do prayers, I spend my time, and then I'm done. Da, 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 da. Somebody would tell me, no, in the evening I had time, I do this, and then I'm doing this, I'm doing this. It is very fair that on a daily family life, there could be so many challenges, way too many challenges. But in those challenges, also, you take your time off to go to your work because you're committed to your work. You take your time to cook for it. You take your time to eat for it. Is it not? When you're at your work, you are mandatory. Someday may you not be, but there is scheduled breaks for you. Everything is there. We love to have a structure and planning in our life, in our jobs.
That is conditioning you.
But Raja, coming back to it is when it
There is
comes.
no structure actually.
No, Raja. See, when you have committed to a client,
Yes,
you are committed, right?
because he is committed in a structure.
Yeah, but then you gave a time commitment to him that yes, I will come.
Yes,
And then you give a time commitment, the stipulated period of time, plus minus few days, your job will be completed. Right? So we do certain things there. We commit our family after 2 weeks or 3 weeks or 4 weeks, we'll go to Ottawa, right? There is everything is there. My only thing is, Raja, why I'm emphasizing on this and stretching on this is you need to stand up for yourself. That's the only thing, nothing else. Let's, sir.
Priority.
मेरा बच्चा, I was yesterday night, I'll give you example, right? I was telling Gudia, I don't know what time I said, I think need little bit more tap, little bit more span. Talking about my part also. Till the time you have a desire to do a PhD, you will not do PhD. मेरा बच्चा. You cannot do PhD. You wanted to do higher secondary, you will do higher secondary only. You want to do graduation, you will do graduation only. But if you want to do masters, you will be focused on doing masters because you're committed to yourself that you have a desire that you want to do masters. The passion that, then you do everything. You go to somebody, I need help, please. I need a tuition. I need a guidance. I'll go online and fight something. I will do online exams. I'll do everything possible way to succeed because I want to be a master. See, Raja, I've been trying to listen to something for a very long time and I am not able to go forward. And all of you can do this. I cannot. It has been some years now. I am not able to cross that one chapter. Srimad Bhagavad. I'm trying my best to cross that one chapter. I go to second chapter, I stop. Back. This is not 1 month's time. This is not 1 week's time, it is years. Over 2 years, 3 years, I'm been stuck on that one chapter.
What is the point on that chapter?
It's nothing like that. It's a beginning. It's that pull. It's that it tells you about what is that bhakti with vairagya and the intensity of a vairagya. Unfortunately, people have taken vairagya as that you have to be leaving everything away. You have to walk. That's a very later stage of your life and you need to walk away from everything. That's not today. You have to walk away from everything. You have to have, see, the too much of attachment within your family life also is the trouble for you. Too much of attachment. It is so much of trouble that down the road you only have pain on a daily life from your home only. Is it not? Your pains are not coming from your outside. Your majority of pains are from your family only, from within you only.
Actually, it's within us only. What family?
No, like within us is who is within you. If you have realized it is him, then there's no pain. If you're not realized with him, then it is that, right? There are two factors to this. Most of the time, there are some kind of a thought. My wife told me something. My husband told me something. My child doesn't listen. My daughter doesn't listen. My son doesn't listen. My brother-in-law, my sister-in-law, my mother-in-law, my this and my that, and my cousins and this.
Yeah. Brentford से क्या हाल है? Brentford से क्या हाल है? Let's go. Yeah, not about it.
Deva.
मुझे एक क्वेश्चन है यहाँ पर. I mean, Om ka, I'm understanding the emphasis that you're laying. I'm not, belittling the importance of that at all. But we have also been discussing that as a grahast, or as a person having different jobs and everything. If we are able to increase the awareness moment to moment, right? I mean, like, I think personally, that's what I'm working towards. So I'm not saying Om is not required, but like, where is Om leading us to? If it is like every moment becoming a meditative moment, agar hum us raaste pe chalte hain with the understanding that main nahi, you are the doer and you are doing and you are the
Leash
work
de
and
dekho usko.
everything. So I mean, like, I don't think it is lethargy or laziness on my part. The thing is, the moment I wake up, I have to be up. So I'm listening. That's why I told you, something is going on in the background all the time. Either this mantra or that, Gayatri mantra is going on, Om Namah Shivaya is going on, Om is going on. But personally, sitting down only for 5 minutes, I think it should be every minute. It should be in your, like, that mantra should be going on, right?
Uttar, what is the insistence of 5 minutes is your commitment to yourself. You just said the moment I get up, it is go, 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 go.
Right.
Something is following at the back. Something is already going on inside me.
Yeah.
Something is already, I'm listening all the time. But how much of that period of time are you able to give your ears 100%?
It is within me. The chant is within me. I'm not saying that every single time it is there, but I'm working on increasing that span of time that mantra is within me.
So what will happen is that the moment you start early, whenever you start your day, that 5 minutes, just 5 minutes, did not say 15 minutes, did not say 50 minutes, just 5 minutes. So what is that 5 minutes going to do to you? The moment you start that 5 minutes of chanting of Om, the biggest aspect you gain, first of all, forget even the spiritual aspect of it. Your level of oxygen in your brain increases drastically. Your brain cells get very active. Your body calms down and the oxygen level increases in your body right in the morning. Now, that energy which flows into your body at that moment of time, scientifically, medically, gives you a lot of energy to go through the day also. Not only just connecting to yourself. This was one part of it. If you don't feel that way, like people are told to do pranayama early morning. It's kind of a pranayama for you. So the moment you chant in a medical way or scientific way, also if you want to do, so you're taking a deep breath enough and you're releasing for 5 minutes. What have you done? You have given your body enough oxygen for all your cells. The major cause cancer in your body is lack of oxygen at certain parts. Very simple it is. Now they're talking about that how every particle of your body can get oxygen so that that cell dies out. There are two major things in our body which are there: water and oxygen. If your intake is good of water, your levels are fine, chances are you will have lesser problem in your body, physical body. Let's talk like that. Let's get away from other parts. Now coming back to spiritual aspect of it. Sitting for 5 minutes on that moment is actually a binding, a bounding, and a bond at that moment for you. That will keep you, I have to give myself 5 minutes, just 5 minutes. So if you're not able to sit for 5 minutes, no matter what you do the whole day, that's your routine of life to do it continuously. Once you are off your bed, it is go, 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 go. It will be go.
But it is not without awareness, na, bhai. What I'm saying is I'm not a robot. I'm not functioning as a robot. Like we've been discussing about how even living in this world, we can detach ourselves
True.
from this aspect.
True.
Duty is duty, but there's this other side of us which is always connected, which is always aware. Isn't that the ultimate goal? Is what I'm trying to ask.
True, true.
Is it only those 5 minutes we have? I mean, I'm not again belittling the importance medically, but if you are working towards something like that,
There are two parts. Now we are going on this path. On my daily walking way, when I'm walking also, I'm aware I'm walking.
yeah,
Right?
yeah.
Same is what you are talking about to go by. Every single second when I'm walking, I am very alert in my actions, what I am doing. I'm very focused with my actions that I know
This is just my duty.
my
Or
duty.
this is I'm separate. Like this is not my ultimate goal.
So let me put it this way: your awareness within you, which is your continuous effort of remembering you, and as we discuss on a daily family life goal, it is easier. You should be doing that actions on every step, whether you're working, you're eating, you're washing dishes, you're driving your car. That is kind of a path connector to use also, as you're saying. Coming back is this, it will help you on a daily basis. What you're doing, keep doing that. I'm not changing that. I'm not saying that's a wonderful thing. If you can keep yourself alert the whole day, if you can keep conscious whole day, that's a beautiful state of mind.
That is also something to work towards. It's not, it
It doesn't happen.
It you lose it and then you come back and So
It is the continuous efforts of minimum 21 days. Minimum 21 days an effort. That you're continuously reminding yourself, continuously doing something, continuously doing something. But what would still happen? It is said, scientifically and medically, you guys, all of you talk about it. I walk the whole day. I'm not standing. But the doctors tell you, no, specific just for walk, half an hour is important for you. Whether morning or evening. No matter how much you are walking the whole day, that stipulated time period of half an hour is good for your diabetes, good for your knees, because that is focused half an hour just for that. I'm not taking that whole day walking you're not doing, but that will not count in your health card. That is okay. I'm moving. So that is movable parts on during the, what do you call, the like engine part of it. I'll give you this part. Easy. Let's do this part. When you start your car, when you start your vehicle every day morning, you are supposed to give bare minimum 16 seconds to your car, to your any vehicle.
Only thing I would like to add on that is, Timothy, when we go to school, we all study. The teacher imparts education to the class, not to us. Why do we go tuition? It's a one-on-one. Okay, we are mindful, we are aware, but mindfulness is a state of mind.
No, I totally. I'm not. That's
The
why I
whole-
No, no,
started by saying
she's
I'm
not. She is not differing, मेरा
I'm
बच्चा.
not. उसको कम नहीं
But
बता
when
रही
you're
हूँ.
doing Om for 5 minutes, you are doing one-on-one with yourself, and there is a difference.
It
तो
will
वो
take.
मैं meditation में कर लेती हूँ ना. I mean, why does it have to be?
Now I'll tell you the power of
Om
Om.
ka vibration is, yeah, definitely the
See, the Om vibration that, as Bhaiji said, when you walk for yourself, other than doing other chores, is different. When you're doing Om for yourself, other than listening, is different. And the reason for that, one of the aspects of Om, Bhaiji, I just read about it somewhere. Again, as you mentioned, the researches, the science that is happening. The science and research ended up finding Om in the frequency of our galaxy. So when there is movement, there is vibration. When there is vibration, there is an eminence of energy. That eminence of energy has a frequency. We all also vibrate as a human being. We have a frequency. If we are able to change that, I can become Adrashta. Right? That is what Babaji level people do. But coming to the point, when they hear the rotation frequency, they hear Om.
No, no, no. I agree that, but where she is coming from is on her routine, what she's already been following, and indirectly, if you understand, she's also saying that I am aware. She's not taking that away.
yeah.
See, she's not denying the fact that I am not working on an awareness part of it. My emphasis part of Om is on a part to what I'm trying to make her understand is I'm trying to put a wall for you. You have a pillar, you have a beam to stand, but I'm trying to add up to rooftop for you. So what does Om would do? The vibration of Om and energy is like whatever you're doing in a daily life routine, you need some kind of a shield on the top, not on the middle, not on the base, right on the top. The moment you start right on the top here, you feel you're covered. What I'm trying to give her is that you're covered now. That whatever the inflow is happening, now nothing is going to barge in for you. You are correct what you're putting out, but she's correct on her way that she's doing a practice for time. How long she's been practicing, right? So to get that emphasis of Om is that some people are not practicing at all Om. Some people are just even not putting it into it, right? But we try to understand is that there is a wall and there's a pillar to it. The rooftop was going to help you to strengthen your body. The Om is like your right brainer here. Like your whole body structure running, your blood cells, vessels, and everything, it's going to go on. But if you are able to do that 5 minutes early morning, then now one Om is giving me trouble in a good way, not a bad way. Write this cells in the brain gets that electrifying kind of a effect on this. It is getting that. So if a child, she's joining us, right? Mini Anita. Now, if the children, like Rishika, all children, they start 5 minutes of chanting over early morning, you know what is going to happen to them down the road? I guess. What will happen to the kids? You will not find any of these kids having any kind of a stress level, depression, anxiety. You will not find them getting hyper. Gradually, you will find these kids that their brains, both the sides of the brains, are working actively, not one side of it. Both sides will start working actively for the kids. Why? Because see, it is like a heater element. You plug it from one side, what does that do? It goes through the whole. I remember the older days, not the heaters of today, like maybe the same thing, that small heaters used to be, the round ones. The one element unplugged in, the whole wire should get that effect of electrifying and it used to come out. It's the same part of it, which you're doing, continue doing, Bacha. I'm not taking that away, and I'm not doubting also. I'm not 100% doubting. You don't need to explain me that part of it. Let me put it this way. I can get that from you. Okay? But I'm trying just to put a roof for you. So that energy which is rotating, the thoughts which are rotating, gets a bond. Now, the bond will help you to energy to flow and come back. Energy to flow and come back. You're done. So that is why the only reason is this. है राकेश जी, खुद नहीं करना, दोनों बच्चों को भी करवाना उठा के. अगर आर्या आज से ओम करती है, मैं आपको एक लिख के देता हूं आज एक चीज आपको. आर्या, आप दोनों बच्चों को ओम करवाना शुरू करो अपने साथ में. आज से 5 साल बाद, just after 5 years from now. Guda, let him sit, otherwise I'm really going to fix it out. No, it's back there. Whatever her goal is today of life, she will not only achieve that easily, but the level when she attains, because she's a very bright part, you will see the brightness that part overachieve easily. We started a recent experiment, I'll share with all of you, with a child. So this child has gone through a lot, and she happened to go through failing in exams of law. 3 attempts are there on barrister and solicitor side, 3 exams. So she has failed in 2 all. 3rd exam she had given already, and 1 was left to be given on 8. Now she's giving next month. She's failed already. She was given to start chanting morning and evening. Definitely not Om, but she was given Hanuman Chalisa to chant. Daily, first thing in the morning and the evening. Have to do it. To your surprise, the 3rd exam which she was already given and knew she will fail because she's already failed that part. She was not there. She passed that exam also under cover. And right now, that child has changed from a hyperactive child and not listening to nobody. Nobody means nobody. And no care. And we had a good discussion about other things. It's such a calm, composed, mellow down child with higher confidence level. We just had a birth few days back, and I came to know on a test exam, she is scoring 93% right now. Test exam. Our goal is to take it to her to 95 to 98 before the exam. We're working with her. She's scoring 93 already. So we have 25 days to go. She'll be fine. She'll stand at 98, 100%. So the reason is we need to have one thing important, guys, if you want to make a thought of yourself. Like, you know how you said, can I have a little more? मुझे भी डाल दो, है ना? I like it. I'm feeling it. I would enjoy it. It is simple like having a tea. Having a cup of tea in your hand, we have to sit for 7:30. My tea, my coffee, my everything, we are prepared. Can I have little more? That is what I'm expecting, which is my foolishness. that you should all cover yourself on that.
So eventually, Srinaji, you will have that urge to sit with yourself.
Well, I'm sitting with myself. My only question is, I'm not doing Om. I'm meditating.
It's fine.
My go-to thing is meditation.
It's
What
fine.
I'm
Same
saying
thing.
is, does it have to be? My question is, सबके लिए एक
एक-
common thing है, or each one could respond to different things but
I
achieve the
wrote
same
that
path.
to you. I wrote that to you.
Uttar dekho, what you wrote to me, again we have to understand. I can guarantee you one part of it is that one particular seed cannot be planted by 100 people the same way.
That's exactly what I'm trying to say.
It
So
cannot be, right?
my only question was about the 5 minutes of Om. I can sit three hours in meditation.
Don't do
Is
that,
it
Raja.
different?
No, no, you will sit 3 hours, Ravi will be here.
No.
We don't want that, Raja.
Time, you know.
चीनी की वजह 2 बार
इसे चाय वापस ले ले राजा।
अदरक हुआ।
कुछ लोग दोबारा मांग रहे हैं, एक को एक सिर पे, 2 लोगों ने लिया।
अच्छा खाली मैं
वही बात है, difference वही
अब इनको राजा, इनको
difference वही है।
अब
हम
इनको
साथ में चले।
इन दोनों ने ओम नहीं किया, इनको अच्छी लग रही है।
आपको मिठास चाहिए।
एक क्वेश्चन
हाँ राजा।
मीठा मीठे को पकड़
while doing your action, your karma, जैसे वो वैसे ही पीछे मंत्र कर रहा है, तो that also helps. But जो particular आपको 5 से 15 मिनट काम करना है, so that is more powerful.
Raja, it is dedicated and focused, no? See, what she is doing, she has practiced herself over the period of time. Let's do that part. So as she said, and I would agree that not everybody, if you tell Dina, you have to, Dina will say, no, bhai, I can't do this. You ask her. She will tell you, I can't do this. You tell me to, do certain, I can do. See, you cannot put her in the same model with everybody.
That's all.
I cannot put him with you all the same model. What we need to work is, we need to work with individual in the individual's way. No, I'm not putting you down, huh?
No, I'm not.
You don't beat up Dinesh later. That's all.
Then I have a shower. I do my puja and everything. By then, it's nearly 2 hours. I'm up by 3:30, but by the time I finish my puja, I think doing the arti, I'm rushing. Ask him. He on Thursday he wrote a nasty WhatsApp to me because I was running late and I was rushing, but doing that puja was my thing. But I did my puja and everything. I did my arti, everything. But sitting 5 minutes for Om, I would have left home at 6:15, and I would have been late.
So, she connects to that. I mean,
Yeah,
and that is also leading
I
in the
don't
same
leave home
place
even
is
when
what
I
I'm
can't
trying
do
to
it.
I'm
I
not-
have to do my puja at home.
I'm telling you one
Yeah,
thing.
I have
I
to.
am not right now. I don't want to pull Dina right now. I'll tell you why.
No, I'm not.
No,
didn't-
mera
I didn't
bachcha.
react
No,
because of
mera
that,
bachcha.
but
No,
I'm
no.
just giving my experience.
I got your answer, but I want to help you here now. This is a good example, Raju. This is actually a very good example. It's a beautiful example.
वहाँ पे सब है
है।
नहीं but I'm saying is कहीं और रखो तो सबको दिखे तो they can also and
No, the sound could be an issue.
आपके आवाज का बंद तक चला जाता है जैसे राम बोलते हो तो
बाबा जी माँ भी यहाँ पर माँ को भी यहाँ माँ इस तरफ नहीं आ सकती।
राजा देखो, क्या है, ये तो सृष्टि है, कभी भी कहीं भी हो सकती है। ये दृश्यमान भी है, अदृश्य भी है।
सही है बाबा जी।
हम सिर्फ दृश्यमान है, अदृश्य हो नहीं सकते। ये ओवरवेट है, वो लाइट वेट है।
नहीं बाबा जी।
भाई जी किलो
गुड़िया को एक्चुअली शी विल हैव अ सॉफ्टर पार्ट। इसको ये दे दो, बिल्लो मत दो गुड़िया को।
नहीं मैं बात से लेके आती हूँ
नहीं
कहाँ से
अंदर से
that white stuff there.
No, that's
ये पड़ा इसके नीचे,
इसके नीचे.
इसी के नीचे ये।
Yeah.
हाँ देखो, किसी को दिखता है, किसी को नहीं दिख रहा, किसी को दूर से दिख गया। तो
Babaji, what is that mantra you mentioned? That 5 minutes mantra?
ओम राजा,
Om.
chanting of Om.
Okay. I thought different mantra.
You are focusing on Senthil a lot. So this Veena Bhen is the perfect example that I did my puja. I'm rushing. I'm getting late. I wake up at 3:30. I don't have 5 minutes. She left at 5:45, woke up at 3:30. No. I'm not blaming you, mera bacha. No.
I don't think that's
Listen.
what she was trying to say.
No, she was not. Her schedule is set. So her brain is tuned to it. You have to understand her psychology. Her brain is set for everything. And for Deena Bhen, it is like, I have to finish this, I have to do this, I have to do this, I have to go to. Reason I know her, and that is why when she says something, I know her when she says what she means. People may find it sing out harsh and rough. No, I don't know. I know that.
But Bhaiji, what is that one time that Dina Bhen can say, okay, this is my time during the 24 hours?
She doesn't have her lifestyle, the way it is. She doesn't have time. You have to understand, Mera Bacha. She is if you ask her 5 minutes, you may be. It will be fine. It is going to take some time till her own understanding tells her, or something really goes inside that injection like a needle. And Deena Bhen says, I woke up.
Exactly. Everyone is a different yatra.
So,
Exactly.
no, Raja, but here is something. Retuning your clock is very difficult.
But some people are aware full time, 24. Then what is the need to tune?
Mera bacha, I don't want to re-quote your example. Her lifestyle is very much, because for years, Deena Bhen will get on her own when she gets. And I really wish and pray that she gets that 5 minutes first, then over everything. Not at 5:45, I want her 5 minutes. I want her 5 minutes at 3:30. Not at the end. I want that 5 minutes I will not push her. I don't ask her.
She said one time that she needs enough sleep.
Huh?
Right, Dina Bhen? She said that one time. Last week, that she does not get enough sleep. She did mention that.
This will help her.
That's the thing. By doing Om, you will get better sleep. Exactly.
Let her take her time.
That's the point.
It will take her time. Till the time she will take it, that the words given to me. Okay, let me make it another example for it now. Till the time Deena Bhen says, you know what? Whatever I heard is the final part for me. I have to have that trust on that words. It's that I don't trust you. I trust you. But that trust means I can surrender to that trust.
Raji, this happens when you are one-on-one with yourself, not doing a chore.
No. I'm talking about something about. I'm talking about whatever we are listening right now, communicating right now, it taken as a binder, as a lock, as a gun. Then that is where it is called acknowledgement, acceptance, and surrender.
I'm talking something different.
But
I
like
to differ. And I'll tell you why. The reason for that is when you are attentively listening to something, it goes in, but it does not get absorbed and retained. When does it get retained? It's like just like food. You eat, you digest, but your body will only absorb certain vitamins if there are certain enzymes. Otherwise, it won't, no matter if you eat. The point here is, itna khao, but digest karo. You listen to just one thing, it's fine. You don't need to read the whole book. One chapter of Baba is enough, so to speak. But if you are able to repeat that chapter in meditation, Chintan, Manan is more important than reading more or listening more. Jitna khaya utna to digest karo. So that is why Om is important. That do I trust? Yes, I trust. But do I implicitly trust in my bones? It's only happening when I'm doing meditation. It will come and go, it will come and go, it will come and go. Somebody will detain, but your time span is so big. Everything at the end ends on the scale of time. Even our journals for that.
We are not here. The part is that everybody who has boarded an X train, they are already on that train. They're already on the train right now. Her life has been running for years. You cannot tell her that open up, put it off. As you said, it takes time of penetration, digestion, enzymes, vitamins. Everybody cannot digest the same food. We are a different bunch of flowers. That is why we are together. We'll come out of this, Raja, because
What, as a third person, I can see that what you're saying, he's saying the same thing. He's from left to right and you're from right to left.
no, I'm not denying Godia. It is not question about what he's trying to say. I am understanding what you're talking about is it is the adjustment part. I get that part, but I'm saying it is the time-taking process sometimes is that we don't even know the food we are eating also needs to be changed.
Of course.
We might need to change our diet plan.
That's one prime reason why we all meet here.
So the diet
He
plan
doesn't
change.
give you food, right? No mithai, no nothing, right?
So the whole part is whatever you're doing in a daily routine life may need to modify it. May need to look into see that maybe what I'm doing on an everyday basis is not something is helping me. If that was helping me, my temperament would have changed. My acceptance would have changed. My acknowledgement would have changed. My surrender would have changed. Now let's go out from here. This was just, it has gone too long. So Danny had asked her that what is that meaning of Baba wrote this week? I don't know you were added to the group or not, Raja. You were not. So before you go, you make sure you get your name and number to the Sunday group. So what is happening is that, Raja, is that Danny said that what Baba made to write was, हम लूटने को बैठे हैं, मिटने को नहीं. हम लूटने को बैठे हैं, मिटने को नहीं. वो लुटाने को बैठा है. लास्ट लाइन क्या थी?
कोई लूटने वाला नहीं.
और कोई लूटने वाला नहीं. Now, what does this mean? What does this signifies of saying that, you know, we are just here to take. We are just here to take from wherever, whatever. Today, if we start supposedly, you know, I tell all of you, start posting it and sharing with everybody the Zoom link that Sunday morning, everybody gets one set of diamonds.
Not a good idea.
Shant Gadadari bhi, Shant. So what will happen? You will see abandon of people
I still have bread.
before time will be logged in. Now, what is the purpose? We said diamond. We did not say which diamond. Huh? We just said diamond. But people understood diamond. You will see that he is always there. Like Baba, today's date of his leaving this body on particular day and time. Kuda, please mat karo.
बेचारा बोर हो गया है. Kibu, Papa is going to bang my head. Please come.
We have to get one part very, very seriously, मेरा बच्चा.
कभी कभी कुछ दिया करो उसको.
You know, let's go to a basic thumb rule of life. Does your children understand what you want to give them?
The young one, not yet. The older one, he's trying to grab something.
He's trying.
Because
But
he
now-
knows there is something that he is missing. There is an X factor that.
How
he
much
doesn't
time does it
understand.
took him to come to that level?
It took him, I would say, last 3 years.
Okay.
Because you know what happened in last 3 years.
Yeah, but it took him 3 years.
So that journey
Pri-
happened.
Prior to that,
Prior to that, he was aloof to that.
okay. So there is, we all agree to this. It is same with when it comes to Bhagwan. Sit. 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 Goda, he'll just be beaten up. Let him be down. He makes him down every time. Because he is going to create that. And he's not wrong. He's 100% correct. But his energies are driving it somewhere else.
हाँ, तो उसको नीचे सर नीचे.
He will not do now. So now this is a good example. He's focused on something what he wants. Why? Because we gave him that. He did not know we have it. We gave him that.
No, I have it. That's why he was after me.
So now he got. He needed something to calm him down. He was not calming down.
So ये ओम करना यानी लकड़ी पढ़ना.
That's part of it. So when we go to Almighty Raja, we go with our desires of prayers. We go, most of the time you're saying people are following routine of prayers to somehow get connected to him so that my X, Y, and Z can be taken care of. That is all external. X, Y, Z is external, not internal. 90% of the time our prayers are only X, Y, Z.
भाई इसमें एक इशू ये आता है कि जब आप प्रेयर करते हैं, there are two levels of prayers. Prayers I understand. They should be one, but there are two. एक तो ये है कि हम बाबा से ये कहते हैं, ये करना है, वो करना है, फलाना करना है, ढिमकाना करना है. Actually, at the end, we are only asking Maya, more Maya from him. Okay. But why we are asking more Maya? That is the golden question. Because if you're asking Maya to ultimately fulfill your first prayer, then maybe it's okay.
Sure, we'll go further.
I'm not stopping, I'm only contributing.
नहीं पुत्र.
इसलिए
What?
मैंने बोला था आप अगर वहाँ पे चेयर में रखो या कहते तो they can also see, they can also contribute. मतलब everybody. और मैं जब next week से नहीं रहूँगी तो ये जगह खाली होगी, यहाँ पे बेवा के बहू को लेके बिठा देना. ऐसा
मुझे लगा ये भी सब शुरू
या
है ना.
Putra, we are running short of time.
चलो चलो.
The day we decide when we go to him We go to him in a form when we want to give ourselves away. I can only tell you one thing. Going to him, you don't need to ask him anything. Trust me. You don't need nothing to ask him. Most of the time, we are always into this dilemma to pray to Bhagavan, which is not wrong. We should do it. We can do it. But if we start to open ourselves to him, he knows our life history because it's a prarabdha. It is not that it is happening now. It is already there in our binder. It is already in our binder what is going to be happening in our life. If the binder is already preset, then what are we going to it? Redirections comes with your faith, with your belief. And belief is just not following a set schedule of things in an outer world. It is a set schedule of things in the inner self. There are two different things here. What will happen is कि मैं everybody लूटना चाहते हैं, मतलब मेरे को ये दे दो, ये दे दो, ये कर दो, वो कर दो, ऐसा हो जाए, वैसा हो जाए. बट कोई भी मिटने को तैयार नहीं है, खुद लुटने को तैयार नहीं है. मिटना मतलब खुद लुटना. जो मेरे पास जो कुछ मेरे फिजिकल वर्ल्ड में है वो सब ले लो, मुझे स्वयं को दे दो. Whatever I have, take it from me. मिटना मतलब मैं मिटने को तैयार हूं.
In Satcharitra, it's actually, Baba has said it very beautifully, that I am ready to give everything, but no one comes and asks for it. Everybody is after material.
What is the second phase of that was?
The second phase of that was contradicting. In like ऊपर से देखो तो contradicting लगता है, जहाँ पे लिखा था कि yes, I'm here. कि इसका हालत देखो. कि मांगने से तो नहीं मिलेगा ना. I have to see if you are capable of getting that. है ना सही? ऐसा ही बोला ना?
तो दूसरे में था मैं लुटाना चाहता हूं, कोई लूटने वाला नहीं. If you go to him, I'll give you an example of yesterday. It may help all of you. So yesterday I came back from warehouse and since last week or 10 days I'm having a difficult time in terms of health and all. After my falling, it became a little part. So I was working and I came back yesterday. When I came back yesterday, normally child comes Saturday morning. He could not come because a day before he was here. I came back and I was very tired. And I said, Baba, I did not have breakfast. I just made a little bit of smoothie yesterday, not a lot. Only full glass. I just made 1 cup yesterday. I took that and I came. I was hungry. It was around 3:30 something. And there was nothing to eat. Approximately 4 o'clock. 3:30. I came and yelled at Baba. That was my part. I yelled him like anything. This is a good example. I'm hungry, खाने को दो. माँ की जोत was on. I said, माँ, खाना चाहिए. I'm hungry. I sat there and I yelled at them. तो दुनिया भर को खाने को खाना चाहिए मेरे को मैं बना नहीं रहा, कुछ नहीं करता. I'm not doing anything. I need food. मुझे भूख. तुमने भी नहीं खाया सुबह से, मैंने भी नहीं खाया. दोनों के लिए खाना चाहिए. मुझे बोला चाय बना लो. चाय के साथ क्या खाएंगे? तो चाय के साथ ये और चने हैं, वो खा लेंगे. अच्छा चलो. चाय बनाते बनाते भोग करते करते 4 बज गए. 4 बजे शिवा के मैं बस अर्पण भोग करके बैठे. We had a cup of tea. तो बोला चलो बाबा की तैयारी करते हैं. बाबा की तैयारी करते करते कुछ तब तक दीपक लोग ये लोग आए, बच्चे आए थे, बात करते हुए करते करते आरती का समय हो गया. बाबा की आरती शुरू. मतलब from 4 to 6:30 2.5 घंटे निकाल दिए मेरे. 2 कप चाय पी, वो खाया, 2.5 घंटे निकल गए. इतने में वो नितिन भाई और नीला बहन आते हैं ना संडे को सुबह, तो वो दे आर नॉट एबल टू कम. उनके बेटे की शादी है आज यूएस में, तो देर इसको तो दे केम यस्टरडे कि भाई हम फाफड़ा जलेबी लेके आएंगे, नॉर्मली हम सुबह लाते हैं, तो ले आए. तो आज बाबा की आरती करके बैठे, तो प्रसाद देने के बाद बाबा को फाफड़ा जलेबी और कड़ी दी, वो अर्पण किया. तो सब बैठे. दिस इज ब्यूटीफुल टू वॉच. वी ऑल वर सैट, स्टार्टेड टेकिंग दैट. अभी खा ही रहे थे, उतने से सतपाल आंटी, उनकी डॉटर्स, लोग सब आ गए कि हम लोग थोड़ा सा मक्की की रोटी और साग और रोटी ले आए. राइट दैट मोमेंट दे एंटर.
बस उनका तो दिल बोले हरिप्पा.
अब इसको क्या बोलोगे आप कि मेरे 2.5 घंटे निकाल दिए उस आदमी ने, दोनों वहां पर बैठे ने 2.5 घंटे में इतना बिजी कर दिया चाय रो देने के बाद कि जब तुम यहाँ बैठे खाने के लिए तो तुम्हें दुनिया जहान की अनेकों चीजें दे दी. ये अबैंडन ऑफ फूड.
भाई इसमें क्या समझे हम?
समझना ये राजा कि वो पुकार सुनता है. तुम दिल से पुकारो. आई कांट एक्सप्लेन वर्ड राजा, आई विल हैव डिफिकल्टी. इट इज माई प्रॉब्लम. तुम
वो जो लिखा है रेफरेंस टू दैट,
उसके बियॉन्ड कर सकते हो. तुम्हारे में सृष्टि बदलने की क्षमता. यू हैव द पावर इन योरसेल्फ टू चेंज द होल यूनिवर्स.
दैट्स नॉट आवर गोल.
Who said it is not your goal? What's your goal?
Our goal is to just change yourself.
No, not our goal. What is your goal?
My goal is to change myself. Not
How?
What we are talking.
What is your ultimate?
Him.
No, what do you mean him?
Huh?
What do you mean him?
Him.
Him what?
Him.
Him in what sense?
In every sense. Which
No,
sense not?
You have to define this now.
There is nothing. There is no definition.
It
the
is
point.
there, Raja.
How do you define him?
Raja, because he is not there.
Why?
He is
everywhere.
here.
That's what I'm saying. Journey is always involved. That is why I don't need to change the world.
Nahin,
It's enough if I change
Raja,
myself.
what we need is to really, you have to understand better. Ultimate to him, what it means is that why does million people, not everybody is praying to Baba.
Arey, it's
Nahin,
same thing.
Nahin, take it, same thing. So everybody can pray to whomever they want to pray. I sometimes listen to different experiences online. मैं गिर गया, मेरी चोट है, I got my health got better, this, that, everything listening. That moment it comes that millions of people in a different way are connected to God in a different senses.
You call him God, yes.
Anybody. And it doesn't matter. I can call her God. I can call him God.
That's given.
So what this means is that every individual in itself, in its own self, has his own yatra. In his own yatra, everybody has two goals to be. One, some people said, "Mujhe swarg chahiye, I need heaven." Is heaven your goal?
That is a relative question. What is heaven? How do you define heaven? Define heaven.
Raja, could you define sign when I asked you?
No, I could not.
But heaven can be defined.
Exactly.
So what happens is that when you are able to, some people said we do right karmas. We think properly, we do right things, we act accordingly, we don't hurt anybody, we try to help other people, we do everything possible to do goodness. So doing all good karmas in a very attentive manner takes you to the yatra of heaven. Because you did good karmas, you did attained good path, now you can go towards, what is heaven going to be? A place which you are kept with like a king, with all the goodness for you when you depart from this world.
Until you dissolve your good karma.
Listen, Mera bacha, listen, please listen. So now, that journey is a circle. Resolving karma is a circle, right? But is that the goal of life? The goal of life is more and more being able to know, not him, yourself. Ultimately, we are again, it is an outward thing, connecting to him, connecting to yourself, connecting to who you are. Now, you may differ to this. Everybody has his own, again, part to it. You take your soul as believing of sign. You may take your soul believing as Allah. You may believe your soul, your connection as Jesus. It can be anybody. You may take your goal as Guru Nanak Dev Ji. You can take anybody. But that is just one medium. Again, that is also just one medium of connecting to your spiritual path of knowledge, because all these Mahapurush, all these people, all these messengers of God have created some kind of format. Mathematical calculations, basic formalization of everybody is the same. All hierarchy in terms of mathematical calculation doesn't change. All teachers may have a different way of teaching you how to solve that. But ultimately, it is the same thing, same connection leading to it. So, what is the ultimate goal? Ultimate goal is from Sakar to Nirakar, from physical world to inward part. There's no shape, color thing, nothing.
What is it that Baba is willing to give and that we are not able to take? Because maybe you are looking for the wrong thing.
Maybe. So now a question comes. A child asked me. I remember recently she asked me this question. How do we listen to our soul? This is what is needed.
That's the reason why I come.
To listen to your soul is the most important connection. How does that happen? Few seconds, minutes of silence helps you. That silence helps you. Let your brain calm down. Let your brain not be active. Your reactions are basically 99% are your brain driven reactions. 99%. Because your soul doesn't react, it acts. It makes you act, it makes you do things. The deeper the water of the ocean, as much deep it is, on the surface, it doesn't have much of sound. Wherever the level of water is lower, it has too much of sound.
Deeper the water, more stuff is inside. Shallower the water, less content it has. When you listen to your, when I listen, I'm only talking for myself. When I listen to my soul, these are the questions that are coming out. Maybe it is before the yours. I don't know.
I agree, Raja. Asking question is not bad, Raja. It is said to be the more questions you ask, till the time you are finished with your question, you will not be able to take it in. So it has to come. It's fine. It is 100% fine. And again, you are part of it. There are two different meanings to that also.
Yes.
Two,
Baba,
Ji Raja?
Babaji, I have a question. 3 years ago, when when you came to Nashua, when you and Mata came to Nashua, that time I used to have so many questions. But as you and Mata started in my journey, now I feel like all questions are dissolved. I don't feel like there is nothing. I mean, like kind of inquiry or kind of questions. I
That
don't
is,
know.
yes, that is how it is. Gradually, your question gets over. It automatically you get submerged to, because now you are able to understand what is being told to you. Now you are able to get to deeper sense automatically.
But Bhaiji, I've gone through that phase. I've told you also, 5, 6 years cover. Sometimes I don't have questions.
Nee, 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 Mira, I'm not doubting
But
your question.
what I'm saying is to the contributing person, Jai Sai Ram, all I'm telling you is you can wait to find yourself having more questions. It is a phase, it is a journey. And if you have at that time, don't suppress yourself, bring it out.
Now, this is the good part here, Raja. This is a very good part. Your level of questions will change according to your stage. You will not have the same questions what you had in phase one. You will not. Now, in phase second level of it, your questions will change entirely, and it will just be a word. It will not be a whole sentence. It will just be a minor understanding, and maybe you will not even utter from your voice. You will just let it happen from go like this. Your body language will say it out. But remember, Raja, the moment stage changes, the moment level changes, it's all done. It's all done. We've been watching this from His grace. By His, I'll give you another good example of today. Yesterday night, everything was put ready on this camera, connection, all that. I did not even close it. I did not close the computer. I just had to put on the screen. It will not function. I did not touch nothing since yesterday night and this morning, except closing the screen for live streaming. It did not function. Whatever technically went something wrong, should I take it technically wrong? Should I take it that you really probably, because I was saying for last some days that we'll start from Baba's Dhoop Aarti, evening Aarti. We don't know. My only request is let's compile today, but because then you guys have time to run out what we. He's ready to give you. Are you ready to give up? That's the key. He's ready to give you. Are you ready to give up? Because if you are ready to give up, then you can have what he wants to give you. Till the time you don't give up, he cannot give you what he wants to give you. He cannot. And to know what he wants to give you, you have to end yourself. प्रभु जी, मैं आपको 2 मिनट कहता हूँ। मैं आपको 2 मिनट कहता हूँ। प्रभु जी, I'll call you in 2 minutes. I texted Madhuji who was doing this yesterday. So, are you ready for what he wants to give out? Are you ready to dissolve yourself? Are you ready for what he wants to give you? Is the question today. People, I'll give you numerous examples, mera bacha. Numerous examples are there. Whenever it comes to completely let ourselves go, we are not there at all. We are not there, nobody.
When do we know when it comes to that?
You don't even need to know, mera bacha.
You need to be always ready.
First of all, the time you will automatically start feeling it. You don't even need to, nobody will tell you. You will know from yourself. You will know from yourself that there is something happening.
Then you will have no more questions.
This is true. Your question ends. Now your existence is gone. You are that river of a sweet water are ready to merge into the ocean of salt water. Leaving your sweetness, you become sour of salty water to get into mud, knowing fully I will lose my existence. I will lose my existence. I have a, like an aura. I have like people know me that I am somebody. I'm so good, so nice, and I'm getting into the sour water now. But what will happen? The moment you get into that water, now you are also known as the ocean. You are no more a river or a creek anymore. Now you are the ocean. So that journey from that water, from that drop of water to the ocean is what it is. It is very simple. Nature has already created all these sources. Again, I'll give you that example today. We discussed a couple of weeks back. Look at this tree outside today also. What do you find it? And look at that tree there. It is just outside. What is on that?
Not green.
No, no. It's not only not green. What else?
The leaves are very yellow.
And some have already fallen. 25% leaves are fallen also, and almost 60-70% has become yellow. What does it mean? It is at a place where the energy levels driven of the water also. Same tree, as she was saying, as you said, as she said, same tree, just a difference of few meters. It's just a few meters here, and that is the other tree is few meters there, right? That's the only difference, or some other difference? That is rather more free. If you look at that tree, it is more free. It's on an open land. There's no boundaries to it. It is still in the boundaries. Are you ready to have what he wants to give you? Is the question today. It is maybe a longer journey for you.
Can we say put it this way that can you make a promise to yourself that you will make yourself capable of accepting his blessings?
True, Buddha, this is what we started was. The part was that are you hungry? Simple. Are you hungry is the key. Are you ready to change yourself? Are you ready to slow down from yourself? If you think that you know what I'm done, you don't tell me what to do. I know what I'm doing. Excuse me, I'm doing for years. I don't know what I'm doing. It is me. I know everything. I know what is happening with me. This is the biggest illusion we have. This is the biggest illusion we have. So you're telling me all these years what I was doing was wrong. Now you're telling me that I really don't know what I should be doing it. My parents taught me so much. I've done so much work. I'm doing all these things for years. Yes, you don't know. Yes, you don't know. You need to decide. You need to think. You need to plan. What is that you want? You really need, and please don't take it away from saying this, my work, my family, my children. Please don't do that. Please. Your yatra, your journey is just your journey. If you think I'm crying for my daughter, for my son, for my parents, for my brother, for my sister, then you are the biggest fool. Don't cry for them. Do the best for them. You are not trying to do anything wrong for anybody. Is it right? Or can you change anybody? You cannot. When you cannot change anybody, that means you're expecting somebody to change for you, which is not going to happen. If that is not going to happen, then who has to change? Myself. If I have to change, then I have to see what is my need. What do I need to do for myself? Forget about everybody. Please don't involve husband, wife, children. Please don't do that.
That is where a guru is needed. To give the right, show the right direction.
And that is why she is here today.
No,
We are all in a circle. You're in the center.
I'm not in the center. I'm sitting inside.
No. These are two lines. One line is here, one line is there.
So I am sitting with Hina
So you both are competitors.
अभी आप जैसे आपने बोला कि parents, sister, daughter, son, do your best.
Yes.
उनके लिए पर चिंता मत करो.
देखो राजा, चिंता करने से तो हालात बदलने हैं.
ये तो नेचुरल है.
नहीं, ये नेचुरल तो आपके लिए है, क्योंकि आपको लगता है नेचुरल है, क्योंकि बचपन से यही देखा हमने बचपन से तो यही देखा. माता पिता चिंता कर रहे हैं. चिंता करने से चीजें बदलती नहीं है राजा.
Do your best.
Actions will change situations and circumstances, not your thoughts. By thinking here, if you think something is going to change, nothing is going to change. Nothing will change. I can guarantee you this. Once you start acting differently, when you start accepting differently, when you start doing things, then you will see the difference. इतनी जगह चाहिए?
हाँ जी.
Raja, please, come out of this illusion. Right? So before we,
आप भी तो इल्यूशन क्रिएट करते हो. अभी मुझे अचानक याद आया, उस दिन आप फेस टाइम में बात कर रहे थे, किचन में काट रही थी सब्जी. आपने फोटो खींच के भेज दिया कि सर के ऊपर से रेनबो. ये आप ही ने किया, इसलिए हुआ. मैंने तो देखा नहीं कुछ भी अंधेरे में. So everybody agrees that आप भी illusionist हो.
मैं illusionist नहीं हूँ. मैं illusion इसलिए नहीं चाहूंगा. कहते हैं हमेशा कोशिशें की जाती है. आग ये कोशिश करती है कि तो मुझे नजदीक मत आ, जल जाएगा. आग ये कोशिश करती है कि मेरे नजदीक मत आ, जल जाएगा. अगर तू जल नहीं सकता तो मेरे पास भी मत आ. ना तुझे जलाना चाहती हूँ, ना तुझे पाना चाहती हूँ. अगर तू मिटना चाहता है मुझ में तो जलने को मेरे पास आ, वरना मेरे पास मत आ. Let's do this part, Raja, quickly. It's already 8:52. Let's 2 minutes, all of us. Let's bring him out today. It is Baba's Mahasamadhi. 1 minute, let's do. Sai 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 Sai, 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 Sai. लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम Raja, read chapter 43, 44 today, please, all of you. Whoever can, read them today. When I posted the group message, keep silence for minimum half an hour today between 2 and 3 anytime. Maximum, if you can do 1 hour, silence will be amazing. Just 1 hour silence. No talking to nobody. And then read 43, 44 chapter today. And if possible, go out with your family, with yourself. Take something, whatever you can. You can take fruit, you can take milk, you can take bread, you can take pizza. Buy something today and give it to somebody. Take your family with you if you can. If nobody, go alone. Please, after reading chapter, not before that. After reading chapter 43, 44, keeping silence for at least, if you can do 1 hour, it will be amazing. And then go silently. Buy something the best. Don't buy the cheapest, please. Don't try to do that. Buy the best you want to give your children, your parents, your family. Buy that product by yourself and give it to somebody today who must be most needing it today. Where to find it? Don't worry about it. In yourself. Downtown of the areas majorly are always some people there. Every downtown around has it. Suppose you're talking about Mississauga, Brampton, just in case, Brampton downtown has it. Queen and Highway 10 has it. People around Rose Theatre, you'll find them. Markham, if you go towards, not precisely Markham will have it. You'll have to come down towards Scarborough side somewhere to have it. Please do it. I request all of you, Raja, whatever you can, please post your messages of thoughts today. It's good to see children joining in, but I hope they practice also, mera bacha. Please practice it. Huh? We'll see you all next Sunday, but most likely we'll be starting today's evening prayers, Aarti lives from today, most likely 6:30 onwards. Let's take that. Sai Ram, mera bacha. Sai Guru.
Yes. Just say
Sai mera bacha. Sai.
that.